Driver, your turn clear.
We're now en route to the Disneyland Resort main entrance plaza. Gateway to Disneyland Park, Disney California Adventure Park, and the downtown Disney District. If you're here just for the day, our one-day park hopper ticket offers same-day admission to both Disneyland and Disney California Adventure. If you have more time to spend, multi-day tickets are an especially good value. Maximize your visit by downloading the official Disneyland app. Tickets, access bar maps, view attraction wait times, and more tickets to discover. To provide a more enjoyable experience for everyone, booking and waiting are not completed in our theme parks, amusement parks, or in the downtown Disney District. If you have brought your own food and beverages, please use the Disney area located just to the left of the Disneyland main entrance. If you plan to leave the park and return later today, please be sure to keep your ticket. Just ahead, the downtown Disney District, with exciting shopping, dining, and live entertainment. Just beyond it is Disney's Grand Californian Tram, inspired by the famed arts and crafts movement in California. We are now approaching the main entrance plaza. At the end of your visit, please return here to take the Mickey and Princess Pixar Pals Tram back to the parking area. The tram will continue running until 1 hour after the latest park closing time. Please remain seated with the doors closed until the tram comes to a full stop.
Remain seated once the tram stops completely. Please gather your belongings, lower your head, exit to the driver's left. It'll be the driver's left-hand side only. Again, once the tram pulls in and stops completely, remember to keep your head lowered when you exit. Do not stand up too quickly or all the way. We don't want you hitting the top of your head on the way out. You'll exit to the driver's left-hand side only, please. Keep those doors closed. Please wait for it. Wait for it. Not yet.